morning and welcome back. Yeah. You wanna say good morning? Oh, thank you. You wanna say good morning and welcome back? What's in your hand?
Money.
Money? Okay, how many dollars is this? Can I eat the money?
No.
Okay, let me give it here. It's my first vlog in December, which I'm very excited about because now I can say we are moving next month. I am so excited. Are you excited to move next month?
No.
Oh no. Oh, okay. But anyways, I'm very excited. Mike is very excited. I'm sure Aiden is also excited to move next month because he keeps asking about the new house. So so excited because we haven't seen the house for the last 2 weeks. We went last time to see, but everything was covered because they were doing the final paint. So the carpets were covered, the floor were covered, like literally everything was covered, so we couldn't see anything and we just came back. And since the carpet is installed, we haven't seen the house, so I am so excited to see it, and hopefully this weekend. And so yes, finally we are moving next month. It's like almost like 40 days or something left, so we have to start do all the final packing. We are getting there, but we usually do packing after 5 o'clock, after Mayang is free. And since Aiden was sick for the past couple of days, our packing kind of stopped, but we want to get back on it, like back on the game of packing quickly. And we also have to donate some toys. Aiden's birthday is coming.
My birthday's not coming.
Your birthday's not coming? Why?
Christmas is coming.
Christmas is coming, but before Christmas, Aiden's birthday is coming. And then Christmas is coming, so Aiden is very excited for his birthday. It's going to be a construction theme birthday?
No.
No?
Christmas play. Christmas play.
Okay. So,
Pizza.
you wanna eat pizza on your birthday?
Drink.
And drink?
Yes.
Drink what?
Drink apple juice.
Okay, you can drink apple juice.
No, orange juice.
Okay, you can drink orange juice.
Banana juice.
Oh, no banana. You're allergic to banana, chica.
And banana juice.
There's no such thing as banana juice. And we are doing a very small scale for his birthday because just like that, I guess, because we wanted to spend more on his gifts that he wants, everything. And also so many things going on, like moving and packing and all that stuff, so we were doing it in a very small scale, just very close friends who has, especially who has only kids, so he can have fun with all the kids. And then we also have like a magician coming for all the kids on his birthday, so it's gonna be fun. And yes, so we are prepping everything on our own. We ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon. I will share everything with you guys in a little, like in some other vlog. But for lunch I am doing, it's almost lunchtime for him, I'm doing curry and rice. I made curry yesterday for dinner and I have leftovers, so he's gonna eat that right now. Because whenever I make curry, I make extra because it's just so delicious. And then let me show you something. Let me show you the skirt. Not skirt, this is skirt. Skirt plus shorts from Amazon. It's like a mini skirt, and it is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah. And it's pants from inside and it's a skirt from outside. You guys know how it works, and I am absolutely in love with it because it's so soft, and there are so many prints that you can choose from. They have the small cheetah print. I got the big cheetah print because I like this style. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I will wear them after I take bath. But wow, I absolutely love the quality. I got it in size, hold on, this is size small.
This is not small.
This is size small. This is big for you, baby, but it's a perfect size for mommy.
Not for you.
Not for me. Okay, I'm just gonna try it. I really want to try it, so let's try it. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. It's pants from the bottom, from inside, and it's skirt from outside. Wow, I love it. Aiden, do you like it?
No.
And then you can wear like a nice top and a jacket and some
I don't like this.
okay, mommy loves it though. and some boots and some leggings, like stockings. It's gonna look beautiful.
Too small, Mama.
It's not too small. I love it, baby.
No.
I love it. You guys can get the link for this in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Curry and rice is ready.
Messy. Clean up.
Yeah.
Clean away.
Normally, when I don't make pakodi for the curry, I just add bundi, and that is 90% of the time. Because I think I always feel so lazy to make pakodi, and then also I don't want to eat deep fried. So because curry is so delicious and healthy, so I was like, it's okay. Let's just put bundi. Not that bundi is not deep fried, but still. I put Aiden to sleep, and I'm gonna go eat my lunch. It is what? It's 1:45. Oh my god, I'm late for my lunch. Normally I eat very early lunch. I heated up some curry, rice, and chopped up some onion on it. I'm gonna go quickly enjoy this because then I have a lot of work. I have to do packing, I have to do editing, and more packing and more editing. So let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to...
Very simple to cook with this thermometer because it's electronic based. It connects to your phone. Just download the app just like I showed you, and then you just put the thermometer here in the meat, and then it's tracking on your phone right here. And I selected medium rare. As soon as this is done, as soon as it reaches the temperature, internal temperature, to what medium rare is like, it will tell me in my phone, and I can stop it. It's basically very easy to follow, and it comes with an instruction manual, so it was super easy. All you have to do is, the first thing when you open from the box is charge it. Aiden is playing with Mayang over there, but all you have to do is just charge it properly, and then you're good to go. When the steak is ready, this is what it shows on my screen. The cook is complete. Save. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna let it rest for like a few minutes, and then I'm gonna cut it, slice it open, and show it to you guys from the inside if it's perfect medium rare or not. This is the perfect medium rare I have ever cooked. Oh my god, this is honestly the best, and still so juicy. Medium rare. Wow, love it. It's pretty simple to use it. It's very efficient in what it does, and you can just keep it back on this thingy that it comes with, and it'll switch off, power off on its own, and I absolutely love it. This is the manual that it comes with, and the link will be in the description box below, so you guys can check that out and try it for yourself. We're making cookies, chocolate chip and marshmallow cookies. It's in the open the door, let me see. Can you open the door? I can't see. I think it's in a poly bag.
Poly bag?
Yeah.
Where?
Hold on.
Where, Mommy? Oh, this one. Okay. Marshmallow. Those are small ones.
Yes.
I can try it, Mommy.
Yeah, you can try it.
I can eat the whole thing, Mommy. I can try it.
So we are making marshmallow chocolate chip cookies.
I can try
It's
one.
also in my website if you guys want the
I can
recipe.
try one, Mama.
I
I can take one. I can try it.
Here, try it.
Okay, of course.
And I also have a sous chef
Mama,
here.
try it.
Are you making cookies with mommy?
What color? What's the marshmallow color?
White color. Are you helping mommy?
Yummy.
Is it so good?
Yes.
Who introduced you to marshmallows, Aiden?
I didn't know it was white.
No, hold on. Don't add it right now. Who gave you marshmallow for the first time?
Tish.
Tish. And Nitish gave marshmallow to Aiden for the first time. I did not even know
I didn't know
that he ate it. And he came home and told mommy. And I was like, Aiden, have you ever tasted marshmallow? And he was like, yeah. And I said, who gave it to you? And I was like, Tish, give me 2. I was like, oh, okay. have been making this recipe for a very long time, so it's always in my website. I always make the same recipe. I just double it up if I want to make extra. So today I am making like extra, so I doubled up the recipe.
Very delicious.
Mm-hmm. 70% dark chocolate. Mama? Yes, I love. And add it here. I'm gonna cut it nicely and then add it here. So the key to this cookie is that once the whole batter is ready, you should keep it in the fridge for like 30 minutes at least, or you can also keep it overnight.
No, in the oven.
Yeah, first we keep it in the fridge for it to cool down, and then we put it in the oven. And that does the magic with the flavor. So
the flavor.
Yeah, it can do magic with the flavor.
Christmas cookies.
These are not Christmas cookie, baby. Okay.
Marshmallow.
Let me get a napkin.
Orange cookie.
You're so excited.
Chew.
Chew.
What?
What?
Marshmallow.
Yeah.
I gotta add a little bit. Hey, don't add so much.
But it's gonna taste so good if you add so much. Now let me open the chopping board out.
So much.
Cut the chocolate.
Let me try it.
Okay, don't keep trying all the marshmallow. It's so good. I don't know what it is about that, but it's just so satisfying to me.
Hey, be careful.
Yes, I'm gonna be careful, baby. Don't worry.
Hold your finger with your knife.
Yeah. We have to be careful when we use our knife, right? Right, I did.
You poke your finger.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Don't worry.
Let me put a band-aid.
No, I'm okay. Oh, thank you. And then you add all the goodness.
You can eat one. Hello? Hey!
Wow.
Hey, what are you doing?
We are adding the chocolate chip in here.
Chocolate.
Now let me get the milk chocolates.
Milk chocolate?
Yeah. Let me go get it.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
This is how it looks. Oh. Wow. It's going to be chef kiss. I don't know, how do we do chef kiss? Do it. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it together. I did.
No.
Please.
I'm done.
We have scooped out the cookies here. 6 are going at a time. And then I topped it with 2 marshmallows and a chocolate chip extra. You know, just for the extra item, right? I did?
No.
Okay. Anyways, this is going in the oven. It just came out from the oven. Look at that. Wow. I swear to God, but these are like the best cookies in the world. Please tell everybody how it is.
I love these cookies.
Look at that.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me wear my...
Ooh. This is chewy from inside, from the center.
Where's my jacket? Where's my hoodie? My hoodie's upstairs.
Put it upstairs. Crispy from the bottom. Oh my God.
Alright.
It's gonna taste so good with milk. Yeah. And it's not very sweet, honestly. It's the perfect balance because you add I sprinkle some salt on it, like coarse salt. When it comes out right of the oven. The last batch is in the oven, and then we're gonna go for a walk. Oh my God, look at that. Before I came up with this recipe, I tried so many, experimented, and then they were so rock hard that you can throw them and somebody would get knocked off. But wow. Cookies are made. They're here. They were a little extra toasted, but yeah, they are all ready.
Alright guys, dinner is ready. A real quick fix. Made the pasta white sauce pasta with some broccoli, onions, green peppers, salt and pepper, roasted garlic white sauce, and I'm just gonna serve. And Tanya is just sitting over there getting ready. She's having a headache today. I don't know why, because probably she's stressing herself out.
Coming, baby.
Even though we are so well packed, I don't know what's stressing her out. So you guys comment and tell her not to stress. So we are gonna go have dinner, and you know what's for dessert.